When professional boxers win a title, they're crowned the champ and rewarded with a belt to be worn around the waist. Each international organization commissions a belt that's custom designed to its specifications and prominently features the organization's logo in the belt's central medallion. These boxing championship belts are entirely handcrafted. The laterals, the side pieces flanking the ornate center plate, are sometimes engraved with the fighter's portrait. When a boxing association commissions a new design, the company's artisans prepare a sketch for each piece. Following the sketch, they sculpt a clay model. From that, they cast a plaster model, then a metal model, refining the sculpture at each step. Artisans use the final metal model to produce a rubber mold, which is used to cast the piece in white metal. The extracted castings are quite rough, so the workshop's craftsmen use files, chisels, and automated tools to refine the shape. Some of the devices and techniques are routinely used by jewelers, while others were designed specifically for this purpose. Once the intricate details are completed, the team files down rough spots along the perimeter. The belts feature a three-dimensional sculpture of an eagle fused to the center plate. An artisan heats the wings with an open flame to make them pliable. Then he bends them to render the eagle more lifelike. Every piece must be meticulously hand-polished on a buffing wheel. This prepares the metal to be plated with gold or rhodium. The piece is electroplated with copper, then nickel, then 18-karat gold. The nickel carries the shine through to the surface. After a thorough buffing on the surface, the pieces are embellished with crystals into molded cavities. Sometimes a championship winner may order precious stones, such as diamonds and rubies, to replace the crystals, depending on their preference. A team of enamelers paints the finished pieces with jewelry-grade enamel. This requires a steady hand and close attention to detail. Once the piece is painted, it's put into an oven to bake the enamel. The belt strap is made of high-grade bonded leather. A craftsman traces a belt template in the leather, then cuts it out with a knife. Then they adhere the strap to leather or high-grade vinyl. The designer sews the strap's lining separately, stitching black spandex over a faux fur backing, and attaching the authenticity label which bears the belt's serial number. This distinguishes it from cheaply made copies. The craftsman attaches leather high-grade vinyl piping to the strap perimeter. He places a brand sticker on the back next to an inscribed tribute to the originator of the modern boxing belt. They adhere the lining. Then, after smoothing out the layers of the belt with a hammer, the designer stitches the lining to the strap. Some belts have buckles, others hook and loop fasteners, which are stitched to the strap at the same time as the lining. Once the belt is finished, the center plate and laterals are attached. It's essential to wear gloves while doing this to protect the pristine surface. The final step is to place an engravable brass plate into each lateral. Then the championship belt is delivered in a handcrafted protective case for a knockout presentation.